Hello everyone, welcome to such an introduction on diversity and inclusion at the workplace. My name is Neeraj Bharadwaj and I am L&D consultant, coach, author with expertise in behavioral training. In this workshop, we will explore crucial topic of diversity and inclusion and its significance in the workplace. Our main objective is to help and understand the importance of cultivating the diverse and inclusive environment and equip you with the necessary knowledge and skill to create more inclusive workplace culture. By participating in this workshop, you'll gain several benefits. Firstly, you'll develop a deeper understanding of the diversity and inclusion and its positive impact on the teamwork, innovation, and employee satisfaction. Secondly, you will learn strategies to effectively communicate and collaborate with colleagues from diverse backgrounds, fostering an inclusive work environment. Lastly, you will enhance your cultural intelligence and become more adaptable, which are essential competencies in today's globalized, diverse workforce. Unfortunately, without these competencies, organizations can face several challenges. Issues such as misunderstanding, biases, exclusionary behaviors can arise, leading to decreased productivity, low employee morale, and even legal implications. It is crucial for the organizations like Microsoft to address these issues proactively and create an inclusive work culture where everyone feels valued and respected. Our extensive experience in delivering diversity and inclusion programs, we understand the unique need of the organizations like Microsoft. Our team of experts has designed this workshop to provide you with practical tools and strategies to promote diversity and inclusion in your workplace. We have successfully conducted similar workshops with numerous organizations, helping them foster inclusive cultures and achieve their diversity goals. Together, we will explore topics such as unconscious biases, inclusive leadership, cultural competence, and business case for diversity and inclusion. Through engaging activities, real life experiences, thought provoking discussions, and some games and activities, we will create an interactive and impactful learning experience. So, if you are ready to embark on this meaningful journey towards a more diverse and inclusive workplace, join us in this workshop. Together, let's create a workplace where everyone can thrive, contribute their unique perspective, and feel valued. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.